it is about the frames, so I'm using function frame. So we inside the function frame, I want to return. First write return, then start the double inverted commas, then create a HTML tag, and then the body tag. Inside the body tag, use the attribute bg color equals to, you can take another any color, this is the hexadecimal value, and then close it. Then close the body tag, and then the HTML tag, and put the terminator afterwards, and then shut the curly braces off. Now after the script tag, just write frame set. Just start the frame set tag. Inside the attribute rows equals to, inside the double inverted commas 50, and then comma asterisk. As you know, I have told you earlier why the asterisk has been used here, so you can understand it by yourself. Go back to the videos I have taught you, and after that you have to use frame tag, and then its attribute id equals to frame1, src equals to nav.html. This is just an example. You can write here quiz.html, as I have told you about the quiz quiz programming earlier. So I am using that similar file, and you can see that your frame has been created. After this, we will take another function. Now this time it is going for the form. We are going to make form inside this. So we are using function check length, and inside it I am taking a variable. After that, input equals to document dot get element by id, and then it is a password. For password I am using pwd inside double inverted commas dot value, then terminator off. Then I am taking another var which is len equals to input dot length. So this is what it's all about. It is about the length. So now I will say that if len is less than 5, it will not be 5, but it will be less than 5. Then alert password should be at least 5 characters long. So this is what the alert message will be if you are not using the correct length password. And then else, so else is a simple alert. Inside you can write anything, like length is right, or length matches. Now curly braces close. Now how is this gonna be? So we will be using, firstly we will be using form tag, because we need a password field and a password written, label written. So I am creating a form tag inside the body tag, and after that I am going to write password, then colon. Below it you have to start an input tag, type equals to password, and then name equals to password, then id equals to pwd. You can see above, yeah, that is what you have to copy, and then input closed, and then break tag. After this you need a button to submit this value. Only then it is going to show you the message that we want above. So name equals to, type will be submit, and the name will be submit to, and then the value equals to click on me. Yeah, we need a button that says click on me, and then we need an event attribute that is on click equals to check length. It needs to run this function. So now there are some mistakes, I think. Yeah, you have to close the body tag first, and then we have written all this thing inside the head section. So what we will do is, yeah, this is looking nice. Now we will go back to the notepad file. First correct the incorrect things. So there are something wrong. First we need to take down the button save, and you can see the click on me has been gone down. And now we have to take this head above, and we have to write it here. And then some more mistakes are there, I think. Yeah, we need to close this form tag also. That's what we have forgotten. And we need to put this double inverted commas here. Now save. Yeah, you can write, see, this is not the length we want. We need at least 5. Yeah, length matches. You can see earlier it was not matching. This length is, yeah, this length is right. Again we need to fill it. This is only 4. Min password length equals to 5.